Hello, everyone! We are thrilled to announce that we've just completed a big upgrade of our game copier and have added a new, uncopylocked version of the stealabrainrot to our library. The entire copying process is now more intuitive than ever. To get started, please navigate to our website. There, you'll find our enhanced game copier tool. Next, open the specific game you wish to copy. In our example is stealabrainrot now. Here's the key step. Right-click anywhere on the game page and select Inspect from the context menu. This will open the developer panel. Switch to the Network tab. If you don't see it immediately, look for and click the small icon with 2 arrows to reveal all available tabs. Once there, refresh the game page and watch as the Network tab populates with a list of files. Scroll upwards through this list until you locate the file bearing the game's name. Right-click on this file and choose the option Copy All as PowerShell. For the final step, return to our website, find the dedicated input field for the copied code, and paste the data you've just copied. And there you have it, perfection! You'll witness the game being flawlessly duplicated with all its original features functioning perfectly. All functions is now available to you completely free of charge. Now you can copy any game you want.